Oh, it started with a tiff. How did it ever come to this? Shitty files of vectored bliss are soothed beneath the engraver's loving hands. Feel free to change the heights and depths, I'm sure you'll get it right. But please remember it's just a guide. Oh, I'll pass the book and I'll take it in my stride. Now I understand why I've gone cuckoo, cuckoo. I haven't been sent my CF2. Now I tried to phone you, you did not listen, you did not know how. The job will be wrong now. I shit the bed last night. I came in early and had a fright. Poor Ghana was being alright. Had to pinch myself, was this still just a dream? Chris Neal is loved by all, but he's away playing footy ball on Thursday afternoon indoors, when really he should be planning up in plates Stevie D's morning cheer. It soothes me as he bends my ear. Lizzie phones me twice a day. I'll correct that, she phones me come what may, and I do not understand where the dinner I was gone used to get quite a while. Now there's barely time to smile. They do not listen, they do not know how. Morale is so low now, for they do not love us. We're an itch upon their arse. And when no hope was left inside on that Monday morning drive, we took our lives as engravers often do. But I could have told you all, this world was never meant for ones as beautiful as you. Emerald green corner display, all the customers they flock that way. We like it, it keeps them at bay, as Will Wilde describes the Made-Away's delights. Nelson plays in the sand, but he cheers up every dog and man. Yes, he does. He's related to the company, and he'll be the boss one day, just wait and see. I'm on the phone to Dies, pass from Pete to Oz to Alison, from Sud to Lee and Chris Barton. I've lost the will to live another day. George does the sandwich dance, then in comes the sandwich man. £2.60 is all he pays for prawns that feed him throughout the day. The curtain twitch is on the prowl. Chris Barlow's fearful now. Tool 5 is broken again, but it's okay, we'll blame Ben. He was on the laser when the Bridgeport took a plunge into the bed. They did not listen, they did not know how, but we're another spindle down. This is engraving every day, where we spend our lives seeing a material that so ominously smells of hairy cat bum wee wee. Let me turn this off.